Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex Gig where we dive deep into the tool that can help you make smarter trading decisions. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about the TradingView Stock Screener, a powerful tool that can revolutionize your trading, your day trading and swing trading strategy. You will learn how to effectively use these screeners to filter stocks, set up custom parameters and identify promising trading opportunities. Whether you are a novice trader or an experienced trader in the market veterans, this tutorial will equip you with the knowledge to leverage the TradingView Stock Screener for more information and trading decisions. Stay tuned until the end of this video to discover how this tool can significantly enhance your trading process and potentially improve your trading results. We start by understanding what the TradingView Stock Screener is. And the TradingView Stock Screener is a powerful tool designed to help filter out thousands of stocks across global markets based on specific criteria that match your trading strategy. As we can see, we have access to over 700,000 stocks for more than 50 countries. This comprehensive screening platform allows you to analyze securities using both fundamental and technical parameters. You can customize your search using over 168 different countries criteria, ranging from metrics like basic metrics like price and volume to more advanced indicators like the RSI, EMA and the VWAP. For further analysis, the screener provides extensive metrics including the PE ratio, the the EV revenue, the debt to EBITDA, the ROE and many other that help you identify financial sound companies. So these are the criteria and these are the things that we'll be looking at to get financially sound companies on this screener. Now, what makes the TradingView Stock Screener particularly valuable is its flexibility. It can create multiple custom screens tailored to your specific trading approach. Whether you are looking for stocks with PE ratio under 10 or you are looking for security trading above their 200-day moving average, or companies hitting all-time highs with no debt. This platform allows you to save and rename and manage these custom screens for quick access whether you need them or not. Now, for example, if you want to find all the stocks with a PE under 10, you can easily set your filter for that. It's very easy. You just need to tap the filter for the PE. This area, we tap the filter and you tap below, then you write your 10, and that's all you need to do. So you have already put your filter to below under 10. It will be able to help you get all those values of stocks under 10. It will give you a value of stocks under 10 as long as you have customized it. Now, the screening global view mode is specifically useful if you are interested in international markets. You can scan the entire world at once. You can focus on specific regions like North America and Europe, or you can actually create custom groups of countries that align with your investment. This global perspective gives you opportunity that might be missed when focusing solely on domestic markets. For day traders and swing traders, the ability to filter stock based on technical indicators and percentage changes over different time frames is invaluable. You can identify stocks showing specific chart patterns or meeting technical conditions that signal potential trading opportunities. So it is very easy to set your technical criteria based on whatever you want to use in the market, and in this I will show you how you can customize all this with time. Remember, the stock screener tool represents a significant upgrade with enhanced features and a more intuitive interface. Beyond just finding stocks, it helps us to streamline your decision-making progress and improve your time management by quick narrowing down the vast universe of available securities to those that meet your criteria you need, your specific criteria. Whether you are a valued investor looking for an undervalued company or a momentum trader seeking for stocks with strong recent performance, the TradingView Stock Screener provides the tool you need to discover potential trading opportunities effectively. This platform also allows you to add several filters and columns or different time interface parameters simultaneously, giving you a comprehensive view of the stock you are analyzing. Additionally, you can evaluate the percentage change from the indicators, which helps refine your filtering options even further. So these are the things we can do in this chart. So overall, technical this TradingView stock screener is a versatile tool that can significantly enhance your trading progress by helping you identify stocks that align with your trading strategy, whether you are a day trader, swing trader, or a long-term trader. So let's see how we can implement the TradingView Stock Screener tutorials, a step-by-step trading process. Now that we understand what the TradingView Stock Screener is, let's dive deep into a step-by-step tutorials on how to use it effectively for day trading and swing trading. And I will walk you through the setting up filters, customizing alerts, and applying this powerful tool to your trading strategy. First of all, we start by accessing the stock screener. We navigate to the TradingView platform and locate the stock screener, which is already up on my screen. This is the stock screener. Now, for your daily trading, you would have to focus on stocks with high liquidity. You have to focus on stocks with high liquidity. You set a minimum trading day volume to that of 1 million shares to ensure adequate liquidity, and changing this to 1 million shares would be now trying to change this to 1 million shares. Now changing this to 1 million shares, as you can see, we're about to change the volume to a daily volume of 1 million shares, which as you can see is about to change. Then to filter out the price, you would go to the price filter and filter the stock between $10 and $100 to avoid penny stock and high price security. You put this to a filter between, it has to be between or above, it has to be above or equal 10 or 100. So we put it 10. This is what we are going to do to set up our price to this area. So this is what we are going to do. Then we'll change our relative volume. We'll look at our relative volume for stock trading and at least 1.5 times their average volume to identify interest, increased interest rather. This is how we can do that. We would look for our trading volume to 1.2 times the average volume of that pair. Now we would also, the third step is to add indicators for swing trading. And to add indicators for swing trading, we would go to our filter. We'll go to the filter to do a general assembly. Now to add the relative volume, this is the relative volume bar, and we'll set this to at least 1.5 times. It has to be above or equal 1.5. Just put 1.5 there and automatically it will set. Then the next thing we need to do for swing trading. Now if we want to edit this for swing trading, all we need to do is go to our relative strength index on this filter indicator area. We'll look for our relative strength index, and I can see our relative strength index. We would set the filter for the stocks with the RSI between 30 and 70. It has to be between, you put it between 30 and 70. This is going to help us edit our stocks, whatever we are looking for. When we set that, we'll go to our moving average. Now looking for our moving average, we'll look for a moving average of 50-day moving average. We'll look for the 50-day exponential moving average and look for when the moving average has recently crossed above the 200 moving average. This is how we would set that. Go to the simple moving average at this area, we look for 50 moving average and would set it to when it crosses above the value of 200. Then you set the 200 when it crosses below the value of 50. When it crosses the value of 200, you just need to set the 50 moving average when it crosses the value of 200. That would set that together. Then we'll have to customize our alerts. And to customize our alerts is also very crucial. We'll click on the alert tab on our screener. We'll look for the alert tab on our screener. The alert tab, you right click on the pair you're looking at, the stock pair you're looking at, and we'll set a new alert to a value of 20. When we set this to a value of 20, we can set another alert for when the RSI crosses above. We set another alert of when the RSI crosses above 70, and we'll look for the RSI when it crosses above 70. RSI crosses above 70. We set that above, then we put 70 in that area. When we set that, then we analyze the results. We analyze our results. Give me a second, let me set something. We'll apply our strategy to this. Once you have seen your results, we would see a list of stocks that meet our criteria. These are the list of stocks. If we extend our screener interface, we would see the list of stocks that meet our criteria. We have to click on the individual stocks to view their chart and their performance for more detailed analysis. If we click any of these stocks, we would see a more detailed analysis, a more detailed information on the chart. We can apply your specific entries and exit strategies based on your pattern and indicator you see. By following these steps and customizing the TradingView Stock Screener to your specific trading style, you will be able to effectively identify potential trading opportunities in both day trading and swing trading scenarios. Remember to regularly refine your filters based on market condition, and you would evolve you would be evolving in your trading strategy. By always refining your filters based on market condition, you will evolve your trading strategy dramatically. Alright traders, we have come to the end of this video. We want to hear about your experiences, so do engage in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you would never miss out on more trading tips and strategies. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.